Unveiling the phrase, skill check in English. Hello, English learners around the world. Today, we've got a fascinating phrase to explore. Skill check. Whether you've come across it in a classroom, at work, or in the gaming world, understanding what skill check means can be very useful. Let's dive into the nuances of this phrase and see how you can use it in different contexts. The term skill check can be used in various scenarios. In its most basic form, a skill check is a method of assessing someone's ability to perform a specific task or set of tasks. It is a mini-test not for grades but for measuring competence or proficiency in a particular area. This is something you might experience in 1. Educational settings, where a teacher might give a quick assessment to see if students understand a topic. 2. Workplace evaluations, where an employer may ask employees to demonstrate their knowledge or ability in a certain aspect of their job. 3. Gaming, where it refers to a player's character being tested for their ability to perform an action successfully, often determined by a roll of dice or a set of defined rules. Now let's see how skill check is used in sentences. In a classroom, our next skill check will be on English verb tenses to ensure you've mastered them before the final exam. At work, the annual skill check for the IT department helps identify areas where we need more training. In gaming, you'll need to pass a skill check to pick the lock on the door and escape the dungeon. By seeing skill check in action, you can understand how it's applied in real-life situations, which can be a practical way to solidify your grasp of the phrase. Understanding the concept of skill checks is important because they serve several key purposes. 1. Feedback. They provide immediate feedback on performance, which is essential for learning and improvement. 2. Motivation. Knowing a skill check is coming up can motivate individuals to study or practice more. 3. Benchmarking. Skill checks act as benchmarks for progress in any learning or training program. 4. Adaptation. They allow teachers, trainers, or leaders to adapt their teaching or training methods based on the results. Recognizing the significance of skill checks helps in appreciating their value in both learning environments and practical applications. That's a wrap on our exploration of skill check. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase and how it can be applied across different areas of life. Keep practicing your English, and don't be afraid to take on skill checks as challenges that help you grow. Until next time, happy learning! Remember, if you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with friends, and subscribe for more learning content. See you in the next video.